Yo, what's up, YouTube? Today we're diving into the cars that promise you the world but deliver way less. These are the top 7 cars that overpromise and underdeliver, and trust me, you're gonna want to hear this before you pick one up. From sluggish rides to wallet-draining repairs, we're uncovering the truth behind the hype. Let's kick things off. Toyota promised us sporty, fun, and versatile with the CHR. But the reality? Sluggish as a Monday morning. Row 60 feels like a lifetime. And forget about all-wheel drive. Toyota left it out entirely. And the cargo space? You'd get more room from your gym bag. Toyota, you had one job, but you dropped the ball on this one. It's more like a sporty wannabe. Next up, the Land Rover Discovery Sport. Looks like luxury and adventure rolled into one, right? Wrong. It's more like luxury repair bills. Sure, it can go off-road, but it doesn't want to. And when something breaks, which it will, get ready to cough up some serious cash. It's like Land Rover made this just to see how many mechanics you could visit in one year. If you like adventures, stick to planning them, not fixing your SUV afterward. This one hits hard for muscle car fans, the Chevy Camaro V6. The name screams power, but the V6? It's more like a gentle breeze than a hurricane. If you're expecting muscle, you'll be left scratching your head wondering where it went. It's like getting a diet version of a dessert. Sounds like a good idea until you taste it. If you're gonna flex a Camaro, make sure it's got some actual muscle to back it up. Alright, let's talk about the Ford EcoSport. Ford said it's nimble and fun, but what they really meant was cramped and slow. It's like the car's wearing a tracksuit, but never actually goes to the gym. And don't even get me started on the cargo space. You're not fitting much more than a sandwich and maybe a pair of socks in there. Ford, where's the sport? Where's the fun? This ride's giving us neither. The Mitsubishi Mirage is the affordable option, but you get what you pay for, and sometimes less. It's cheap, it's fuel efficient, but it feels like it's made from spare toy parts. If you're on the highway, good luck merging. It's gonna take a while. This is the kind of car you drive when you've given up on enjoying driving altogether. It's like wearing cardboard shoes. Sure, they're cheap, but they're not getting you anywhere fast. Jeep, I expected more from you. The Jeep Renegade promised us adventure and off-road thrills. What we got was a Jeep badge slapped on something that feels more like a Fiat. It looks tough, but when it hits the trail, it's ready to call it quits. This is the car for the adventurous spirit who doesn't actually leave the pavement. Jeep, next time stick to what you're good at. Wranglers, not wannabe adventurers. And now, the king of broken promises, the Tesla Model Y. Tesla had us all excited with dreams of full self-driving, mind-blowing range, and sleek design. But, reality check. That full self-driving? Still in beta and full of bugs, and in colder climates? That range drops faster than your motivation on a Monday. And let's not forget those infamous Tesla build quality issues. Panel gaps big enough to park a bicycle in. Tesla, finish the dream before you sell it, okay? So there you have it. 7 cars that overpromised and left us with empty gas tanks, lighter wallets, and a whole lot of frustration. These cars might look good in the showroom, but once you're on the road, the cracks start to show. If you've been fooled by any of these or almost made the mistake of getting one, hit the comments below and tell us your story. And before you bounce, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that bell icon. I've got more no-nonsense car reviews, hot takes, and truth bombs coming your way. You don't want to miss the next one. Thanks for watching, fam. Peace.